The mortgage term is the length of the entire mortgage. A lot of people get this confused with the product term, which is a 2 or 5 year fixed rate. A lot of first-time buyers seem to be under the impression that you can only get a 25-year mortgage term. This isn't correct. You can go from a 2-year term all the way up to a 40-year term in multiples of months, depending on which lender you are going with. A lot of first-time buyers seem to be under the impression that you need to have a 25-year mortgage term. This isn't factually correct. You can have complete flexibility when you are choosing your term for your first mortgage. It varies from 2 years all the way up to 40 years, and it can actually be broken down in intervals of months. However, a lot of lenders will cap the maximum term up to 35. So as soon as you go over 40, it will cut a lot of the lenders out of the market for you. If you choose a longer mortgage term, the monthly repayments are going to be cheaper for yourself. However, in the long run, you will be paying a lot more interest as the mortgage is paid off over that longer term. Every time you remortgage, you can reassess your mortgage term. For example, if you get your first mortgage and you take a 35-year term out over a 5-year fixed rate, when you go to remortgage, there is only 30 years left on your mortgage at that point. Once you come to that stage, you may have had pay rises, your income may be up, and you may be able to afford a lot more on your mortgage. If that is the case, what you can then do when you remortgage is, rather than keeping it at 30 years, you might be able to reduce the term of your mortgage and get it paid off quicker, which will save you a lot of interest in the long run.